everyone, my name is Kajal Sah. I read in class 11. My school name is Khanna High School for Girls. Today I deliver you on the speech on the topic signification of 75 Independence Day. The day of 15 August in 1947 has been embossed in the golden history of India. It is the day when India got its freedom from 200 years of British rule. It was a hard and long high stakes struggle in which many freedom fighters and great men sacrificed their life from our beloved, beloved mother. India comments its Independence Day on the 15th August. Autonomy Day helps us remember every one of these names our political dissidents made to the make India liberated from British rule. On 15 August 1947, India announced free British rule and turned it into the biggest boat-based system on the planet. Independence Day, like the birthday of our country, we celebrate 15 August every year as our Independence Day. It is celebrated as a national holiday throughout the country. It is the call of the red letter day in the history of country. So this is my short speech. Thank you so much to listening my speech. Thank you so much everyone.